Meaning of incriminate.
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 Incriminate. The word incriminate refers to the act of making someone appear guilty of a crime or offense, usually through evidence or testimony. When someone is incriminated, it means that there is a strong indication that they committed the crime or are somehow involved in it. This could result in serious consequences, such as being charged with a crime, going to trial, and potentially facing imprisonment or other legal penalties. Overall, being incriminated is a very serious matter that can have significant implications for an individual's life and future.